lost boy from Neverland, usually hanging out with Peter Pan. And when we're bored we play in the woods, always on the run from Captain Hook.
Hi guys, just showing you my backyard out here at night. It's wicked beautiful out. Look at that. I love all the pink and the blue in the sky. So, just coming from Maine saying, good night guys. Have a good night.